Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to know about Python project ideas for final year students. Yes, who are seeking computer science and Bachelor of Engineering and Master in Sciences and many other who wants to make a real world project. Such ideas they are trying to get very tricky. So here what industry requirements, what the project is acceptable for your academic project as well as which will give you more kick-ass in your career opportunities while you are applying in your resume, we are going to learning today. So let's see these particular ideas with the help of ChatGPT I am trying to getting. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support us. Let's see, I'll ask a question to ChatGPT, which is Python projects ideas for final year education, or anything if you want you can add and ask to the ChatGPT. Wow, see here, first congratulating it's saying for your academic or final year. So the project ideas are very greatly, it is saying image processing and recognition. Develop a program that can process recognized images library OpenCV or TensorFlow help. And the neural language processing NLKT or SciPy, these are the libraries which are available in Python. So once you learn the Python and you are doing, yes, you try. Sentiment analysis. Develop a program can analyze sentiment of text data such as customer reviews, machine learning algorithms, libraries and scikit-learn. Next one, web scraping, data visualization. So develop a program can scrap the data from websites, visualize the using libraries, Beautiful Soup and Matplotlib. Using these libraries you can make it the data visualization. Chatbot. Develop a chatbot can understand like a natural language, provide responses to the user queries like ChatGPT. And you can use the libraries such as like a dialog flow engine and Chatterbot to build your chatbot. Data analysis and machine learning. Choose a real world problem using and Python to collect, clean, analyze and model data. You can use libraries such as Pandas, NumPy and scikit-learn. And the next one, game development. So game using Python game engine, Pygame, you can build in game area. If you are more interested, you just try. And harisystems is also offering core basic Python programming languages tutorial from basics to advanced level. If you are interested, find below link. Come to the points. 8th one, finance analysis. So using Python to analyze financial data, build financial models, you can use libraries such as Pandas, NumPy to analyze the data to libraries such as Matplotlib, Seaborn and visualize the result. Network analysis. Develop a program that can analyze network data using libraries such as NetworkX and Gephi. The next one, web development. Build a web application using Python web frameworks such as Django or Flask. So I hope these all the points will help you greatly and these projects. And also if you feel very this video lecture and these projects useful for your final project references, please do subscribe us and support. Thank you.